Hi students, welcome back. In a previous section, we discussed the terms of close packed structures like 1D, one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Okay, today we going to see the packing efficiency. Okay, what is the meaning of packing efficiency? Right. So, in packing efficiency, you consider one of the box. Okay, you consider one box. Imagine that. In that box, how many possible spheres or ball? Anything? How much balls were inserted? Okay. How much of spheres were inserted? This is what packing efficiency means. The packing efficiency you consider one of the box. How much sphere were inserted in that box? This is called what? Space. These are all the space. This is not consideration. Okay. Remaining that of the spaces we call what? Empty space. Okay. So overall percentage we consider packing efficiency. By chance one atom, how much inserted in a one atom, that is called what? Packing fractions. Means what's the definition of packing fraction? Without percentage. That means what? Volume occupied by atom or sphere in a unit cell into volume occupied by unit cell. Okay. This is called what? Packing fraction. Packing fraction means only the number of atoms are inserted. This is total percentage. This is called what? Packing efficiency. This is packing fraction. Now going to the definition about packing efficiency. What's the meaning of packing efficiency? Yes, the packing efficiency is volume occupied by sphere or atom or particles in a unit cell. Occupied by unit cell into 100. This is called what? Packing efficiency. Okay. So let me know one by one packing efficiency about simple cubic cells, face-centered unit cells and body-centered unit cell. First one we consider simple cubic or primitive, either we called as what? Simple basic primitive. First one we consider simple cubic cell, unit cell, cubic unit cell, either what? Primitive. Okay students, let me know it. So, what's the structure of primitive or simple? Yes, this is the structure of primitive. How much possible corners, I mean say how much possible atoms or constituent particles are present? Yes, in this primitive unit cells consider only the 8 corners having atoms or particles, constituent particles. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is called what? Primitive or simple cubic unit cells. Okay. Next, they can continue to packing efficiency how much in the simple cubic cells. Yes, you write this structure like this. This is the structure of in your textbooks. Don't get confused. Both were same. You have to be considered that was structure. Okay, either this is a structure. Okay. So in this structure, we consider this is called what? A means what? Edge length. Okay. This is called what? Edge length. This is called what? Edge length. So we consider this is a A, this is a B. Either we see about this structure, don't get confused, both are same. Okay, let me explain one by one term. So first we consider edge lengths. Edge length we consider as A. A is the edge length. This is one of the edge length. This is also. This is a length. This is a width. This is a height. Okay. So okay, fine. See the structure. So next point we consider what? Radius. I need to say what? Atomic radius. Atomic radius we represent it by R. Okay, what's the meaning of atomic radius? This is a half of the, okay, this is a half of the distance between the crystals. Okay, neighboring crystal, half of the distance between the neighboring crystal, half of the distance between the neighboring crystal. One of the circle you consider, this is half of the distance. This is called what? R. Neighboring atom. This is called what? R. This is how much of R is. This is one of the R. This is one of the R. Okay. So let me discuss how much volume of one sphere, volume of the sphere or volume of the area. How much volume of the area in consider in a sphere? This is a volume, is how much of the volume in a sphere? That is what? 4 by 3 into pi r cube. This is a volume of the sphere. Okay, students. Next to volume by a unit cell. I would say volume of a unit cell. How much of unit cell? Unit cell we will consider what? The length, width and height. This is what? A into A into A. This is what? A into A into A. This is called what? A cube. Okay, students. So now going to the one of the edge length is how much? This is as same as to be AB. How much you consider? One of the edge length is considered as a 2R. Okay, this is all 2R. Either we have to get a R. R become ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Get R means yes, R ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ A by 2. This is very important two terms. Okay, so A is equal to 2R. R means A by 2. Okay, 2R is equal to A. This is a very important terms. Okay, students, we can solve it out in the two steps, two categories. You consider A, either you have to solve it, either consider R. Okay, first one we have to choose it, whatever the reasons. Okay, first one I can choose. Your wish to get a choosing of any method to get solved. The first one we get solved. Packing efficiency, volume occupied by a sphere. Before going to that, in a primitive unit cell, how much possible numbers that make what? A rank and the number of particles or atoms. Number of particles or atoms. How much particles or atoms? This is a 8. 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How much in the contribution in a unit cell? This is 1 by 8 portion. That make what? This is a 1 atom. This number of rank is 1. Okay. So now volume occupied by a sphere in a unit cell. Volume and how much number of atom is present? That is what? Number of atom is present. How much number of atom is present is 1 into volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Divided by volume occupied by a unit cell. This is A3 into 100. Okay, students, they can solve out. How can you solve it? You insert the values of R. Either you insert the values of A. By taking R value now insert ಮಾಡೋಣ. R cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is what? A cube. 2 into 2 into 2. This is 8. I mean say R cube andre this is A cube by 8 agutta. Okay. Then 4. This is 3. 5. R cube means A cube into 8. Remaining term is A cube. Okay. Into 100. Divided by A cube can get cancelled. They can solve it. Then 4 1 4 2 means what? Pi by 3 into 6. I mean say 3 into 2, 6 into 100. They can solve it. Pi is how much of the values of pi? 3.142 divided by 6 into 100. You can get values is how much? This is 52.36. Round figure we can get 52.4%. Either we call it as 52%. Okay, in a simple cubic cells, how much packing efficiency is? 52% packing efficiency is present in a simple cubic cells. That much of spheres or whatever the molecules were inserted in that sphere of cubes, simple unit cells. By chance to get how much? Remaining of the terms. Remaining of the term we got is what? Remaining of the term is what? Empty space. Empty space. How do you get the empty space? Empty space. How can we calculate the empty space? Yes. 1000 divided by 52%. That make what? 48%. This is an empty space. Empty space is a 48%. 52 is a how much? Packing efficiency. What about packing fraction? Packing fraction is without 100. I mean say multiply by 100 is remaining term. This is a packing fraction. This is what? Pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 0.52. This is about packing fraction. That much of atom are present. That much of percentage of atoms is present in packing efficiency. This is a simple method to get the values of packing efficiency. By chance, you take on these values is in a, you can consider A values. You addition the A values, then what? 4, 3, 5. This is a R values, usual R3. A value. A value is 2R. You consider 2R, 2 into 8 R cube. This is a cube. A value is 2R is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8 R cube. This is 8 into R cube. What do you write? Yes. R cube cancel. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 3 into 2. This is also same. 5 by 6 into 100. Okay. Whatever the values you take, A values or R values, both of the answer should be same. Okay. Very, very important in this asking in 3 marks question. Simple cubic cells packing efficiency. Or 1 mark question, we write how much of packing efficiency is present in a simple cubic cells. This is 52%. Okay. This is about the first simple cubic cells. Let me go for the second one. Body centered cubic cells. Okay, students. Next one. Second one. Body centered cubic cell. Either we call B, C, C. Okay, students. So now the structure of BCC, how much? How can you structure it, right? Yes, all the corners having a atoms. This is not a primitive cells because of one other atom or particles, constituent particles are present in the center of a body. Okay, this is the center of a body. Is another one of the molecule or atom is present. This is called what? BCC, body centered cubic cells. Okay, next two can write. This is a BCC. Can write to get. This is the structure in your textbook. Write like otherwise. Try to understand this way also. Okay. So in this structure, can solve out. Okay, students. This is called what? A. This is called what? B. This is called what? C. This is called what? D. Okay. So this is structure you consider relation to solve about in textbook. Like this is a simply way to get understand. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is A. This is called what? Edge length. This is also edge length. This is also edge length. Okay. So one more point you can consider. Okay. This is a body center molecules. So we want to write as usual same like that. This is the edge length is how much? Edge length or A. Okay, second point is, so radius. Radius is what? Atomic radius. Distance between the neighboring atoms of a crystals. Okay. So next to So point of volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So now you calculate the r values, radius, atomic radius value. Atomic radius values, atomic radius. So atomic radius values you can consider. So consider AD. In the Pythagoras structure, you have to be solved with Pythagoras. AD means this is a AC. Okay. AD square is equal to what? AC square plus CD square. This is called what? AC square plus CD square. Right? So now in the radius, how we have to write a radius is half of the sphere. This is one of the radius. Yes, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius. How much possible of radius are present in AD is 4r. So what you write? 4r. Yes, AD is equal to what? 4r. AD square is equal to 4r square. So AD is equal to 4r. Okay. Then you can get AC. AC means what? AC. This is also one of the Pythagoras. AC. AC means you consider this is a AC. Okay. AC. Okay, right? AC square is equal to what do you write? AB square plus BC square. So AB means edge length A square, BC means edge length A square. So what you write? AC square is equal to 2A square. Okay. So next, lastly, what? CD. CD square is equal to what? CD. CD means A square. Substitute all those in the equation AD square. So AD means what? 4r. This is a 4r square. 4r square. Then write AC means 2A square plus A square is equal to what? 3A square into 4r square is equal to how much? This is a 16r square. 16r square and to be right, r square is equal to 3A square divided by 16. So r means what? Root 3 into A divided by 4. This is what? Root 3 A divided by r. Either we write this values you can consider to get AI consider yes, this is called what? 4r root 3. Okay, this is a A can write 4r root 3. Okay, then r value can write root 3 A by 4. So students can write it, note down. So we can solve out about the packing efficiency. So now how much rank? Rank means number of atoms. Means what? Rank number of atoms. In the previous classes we discussed about number of atoms or particles are present in the initial last videos. You can see this, can get the number of values or can get. This is the values of simple cubic cells. Yes, this is a how much atoms are present? 1 by 8 into 8. Means 8 atom in the corners into 1 by 8 portion. This is cancelled about 1 atom plus another one of the atom is present in a body. This is called what? 2 atoms are present in a simple body centered cubic cells. Presence of atom is 2. Okay, now get the packing efficiency about the body centered cubic cells. Yes, body centered cubic cells. Number of volume occupied by the spheres. How much of spheres is present? Number of spheres is 2. Then volume of a sphere in a unit cell is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, divided by. Then volume occupied by a unit cell. Volume occupied by a unit cell is how much of unit cell? A cube. Okay, students. So now you can solve two types of. You insert the values of r, either insert the values of a. Okay, now you can get the values of R value na now substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. First we can the R values. Okay, 2 4 into 2 can write 8 divided by 3 5. R means what? 8 root 3 divided by 4. So multiply by root 3 means what? A cube into A cube. Here of A cube get cancel into multiply by root 3 into root 3 divided by 4. Yes, 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, you can easily solve out root 3 into root 3. This is convert, you get 3. You can answer 3. So one of the 3 is cancelled about root 3 and root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 you consider as a 3. So 3 one of the 3 is cancelled about root 3 and root 3. Okay, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 2 1 2 2 4. And say what? 4 into 8 divided by 5 remaining what? Root 3 into 100. This is called what? 100. This is calculated root 3. Pi's value is 3.142 into root 3 values calculate, then 8 into 100. You get the value C is how much? 68%. This is a packing efficiency about 68% in a body centered cubic cells. Okay, so how much of empty space? Empty space is divided by 68. This is how much? 68 is 32%. That empty spaces. Okay, you can solve about, you taken a R values. Either you taken a values of A. Either you can solve it in a taken of a values of A. Yes, this is 2. Anyway, you choose an anyway to get solved. 2 into 4 by 3 into 5 R cube. Okay, this is A value is 4. 4 into A value multiply by twice times. I'm say thrice. This is what? So 4 into 4, 60, 60 into 4, 64 into R cube divided by root 3 and root 3. Root 3 can write it very simply. 64 R cube, root 3, 3 and root 3. Root 3 can solve it root 3 and remaining of root 3. Okay, they can write is 64 R cube into 3 root 3. Okay, solve the root. This is cancel each other. Then get 4 into 8. Say 4 into 2 8. 8 into 5. This is 3. Remaining is 64 and 3 root 3 is going to be above nominator into 100. So how much of this values you can get? 8 ones are 8 8s are. Okay. So then 3 get cancelled. This is root 3 divided by 8 and 5 into 100. This is what? Get 68%. Then packing fraction is without 100. This is the packing fraction is root 3 by 8. This is about packing fraction. Both one. You can choose any one of the easiest methods. Okay. This is about the body centered cubic cells. Okay students, body centered cubic cells number of atoms is 2 and multiply by 4 by 3 the volume and divided by A3. A3 is a unit cells into 100. 8 calculation over to get it. The number of packing efficiency is presence is 68% packing efficiency. Empty space is 32%. Okay students, and next one, the last one, face centered cubic cells. Face centered cubic cell, third one, FCC, face centered cubic cell. Okay, so in the structure you can write the structure of face centered cubic cell is okay. So face centered cubic cells, how much possible particles or atoms are present? 40. 40 means 8 plus 6. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the corners, and remaining this is a face is one of the atom is present, one of the particles. This is a space. This is a space is one more, and this is a space is another one, and this one is one more, and this is the overall front face. This is considered one, and this is a back. Remaining of the back. This is a back. This is called what? FCC, face centered cubic cells. Okay, students. So how can you write this? You consider only the one part. This part we consider. You write it very simply way. They can. This is a structure. Okay. So in this structure, this is the center of the face. Remaining four edges. This is a one of the corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the four were the corners. The corners were like this. You have to be adjusted the whole terms. Okay. This is about the corners. Okay, students. So see, this is the center of the body. Remaining four atoms are present in these four types. So you consider this is a A. This is considered this is A. This is what B, and this is called what C. And this is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. So this is our edge lengths. What are the edge lengths is A. This is also A. These are the edge lengths. Okay, so what about the one by one? First one is what? Edge lengths. Edge length is A. They can calculate it, and R is atomic radius, and you can get the values of one sphere of the volume of one sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, students. Next, how much faces were present? Number of atoms. Number of atoms is present. How much? Yes, this is corners is 1 by 8 into 8 plus the each faces. How much of the faces is present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Just remember the last classes. 6 faces. So how much of faces will appear? The half of the face will be appear. This is 1 by 2. They get what? This is cancelled. They get 1 plus 6 by 2, 3. So total number of rank, the number of particles of atoms is present in the face-centered molecule is 4 is the face-centered molecules presence of atoms. Okay, students. Now calculate the radius. So this is one of the radius. Okay, this is half of. This is one of the radius, and radius. This is also one of the radius. Total is 4r. Okay, so consider AC. Okay, students, you can consider AC square is equal to, according to Pythagoras formula, AC square is equal to AB plus BC. AB square plus BC square. So AB means edge length A square, and BC is A. You say what? A square. AC means what? AC means what? R. 4R. This is what? 4R square. Right? This is 2A square. This is what? 16R square. Right? So 16R square means R square is equal to what? 2A square divided by 16. So 2A square by 16, can you write 2A square by 16, 2 into 16, that is what? A square by 8. That is means R square is equal to A square by 8. They can solve it. R is right. A is equal to 8. You can write 2 root 2, 4 into 2, 8. 2 root 2. This is a R. Okay. R is what? A 2 root 2. Okay, what about A value? How can we write it A? A is, yes, A by 2 root 2 R. This is the A value. Okay, students, this is very simplified. They can R square is equal to A square by 8. 8 you can write 2 root 2. So write 2 root 2 A by 2 root 2. Then this is the value of radius. We can get a edge length values. This is a A. This is denominator, and we multiply with R, 2 root 2 R. This is A is equal to 2 root R. Okay. This is a way to get the answer of R and A. Then simplify the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency So one method, I will be tell another one of the method. You can choose the which one is best. Okay. So the vacuum number of atoms is present in a 4 spheres. Number of atoms are present in a face-centered cubic cell is 4 into 4 by 3. This is a pi r cube divided by a cube. Okay, students, this is what we write a cube. Okay, the inserts the value of ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ you insert the values of r values. This is what a cube 2 root 2 2 root 2 2 root 2 2 root 2. This is what we write 4 into 4 into 60 divided by 3. Then a cube and 5 into a cube is what? A cube divided by 2 root 2 thrice. A cube cancel into 100. Okay, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, all the values should get cancelled to get forming of pi root 2 by 6 into 100. Can get 74% of packing efficiency is present in the FCC. FCC is the highest packing presence. Okay, you can solve this. This is very simple. To get a solve, will be forming of what? Pi root 2 divided by r into 100. This is get a 74% of packing efficiency or presence in the FCC. This is one of the calculation part. You can get another one of the calculation part. Okay, students, write in your textbook. Going to your textbook method. Okay, students, your textbook method. Write this structure. Okay, this is the structure of in your textbook. See, the structure is what? ABC. ABC is what? AC square. AC square is called what? B. Consider the B. AC square is equal to B square. Means what? Pythagoras formula. B square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Then BC square is equal to what? A. A means A square. This is AB square is equal to A square. This is called what? 2A square. Then B is equal to what? Can write B square is equal to 2A. Only the B consider. B consideration can get root 2. Can write root 2 and A. This is called what? B. Okay, students. In a radius, how much of radius is present? AC is 4R. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4R is present. 4R means B is equal to 4R. You can substitute in here. B is equal to 4R. This is 4R is equal to what? Root 2A. Okay, students, root 2A. Okay, you can get A. A is equal to what? A ಬೇಕು. A ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 4R divided by root 2. Okay, this is about A values. Okay, students, this is A. A value. How much of the A value is? 4R root 2. Okay, so according to packing efficiency volume occupied by the sphere, packing efficiency is what? How much? This is number of atom is 4 because of BCC. Already know that the value is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A. I mean say A cube values. A cube value na avili substitute ಮಾಡಿ. A cube andre we can write 4 into 4 into 4 which was 64 r cube. So root 2 root 2 root 2. You can root 2. This is simplified by 2. That make what? They can write 64 r cube divided by 2 root 2. You can write it like this. Okay, students, very simplified. 64 root 2 root 2 can write 2 root 2. Then get the answer is 4 into 4. This is 16. 4 into 4 16 divided by 3 pi r cube. Okay, then A values is what? How much? 64 divided by 2 root 2. 2 root 2, you can write it here, 2 root 2. Then R cube, okay? This is simplified. Then R get cancelled later to forming of 16 ones are 16 fours are. So, okay. Next to 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay? 3 into 2, 6. Then remaining term of what? Root 2 and pi. Root 2 and pi. Okay? We need to multiply by 1000. This is what? 6 into 4, 3 to 2. 3 to 2, 6. Remaining of pi, 2 root 2 divided by pi. This is, you can get calculated root 2 into 3.142 divided by 6 into 100. You can get the value. See how much percentage? 74%. Okay, students, 74% of packing efficiency is present. Largest number of packing efficiency. I mean, say number of atoms more number of atoms are present in the face-centered cubic cells. So, remaining of empty space. Empty space means how much of empty space? Empty space is 700 divided by 74. Get what? 26% of packing efficiency. 26%. Then what is the packing fraction? Packing fraction. This is the packing fraction. Without 100, this is the packing fraction. 0.74 is the packing fractions. That much of number of packing fractions is present in the face-centered, and this is a 2 method. Identify this as a 2 method. This is one of the which one you have to be selected. You can choose this. Okay. This is about the packing efficiency of simple cubic cells and face-centered and body-centered. Okay, students. Then packing efficiency, you can write the relation. Packing efficiency FCC is greater than BCC, and this is greater than what? Simple cubic cell or simple cubic cell. This is how much was? 74%. This is 68%. This is our figure 52%. Okay. This is about packing efficiency. Okay. So now see this chart. This chart was introduced to get a simple way to understand very easily, and this is a very important to note on that. This is a characteristics: simple cubic lattice, face-centered cubic lattice, body-centered cubic lattice. Okay, atomic radius. First characteristic is atomic radius is R. Just remember all the term. A divided by 2. R is equal to A 2 root 2. And body-centered R is equal to A root 3 by 4. Okay. Means A is the edge length. Okay. Next point 2, number of atoms per unit cells. Number of atoms present in a different types of unit cells. Simple cubic cells, yes, only one. The face-centered, this is possible 4. Yes, this is a 4. And body-centered only 2. Already know this. Then the third one, coordination number. Coordination number is, yes, in the previous last videos you can to be check the coordination number. Simple cubic cell is 6 and the face-centered cubic cells is 12 and the body-centered is 8. So, okay, packing fraction. Yes, packing fraction of simple pi by 6. This is 0.52%. Pi 2 only. Then face-centered cubic cell, this is a pi root 2 by 6. Either pi 3 root 3. 6 you can write a 3 root 2. Okay, they can 0.74. And body-centered molecule is pi by root 3 by 8. This is a 0.68. Then packing efficiency 52 and face-centered FCC is 74 and BCC is 68 and empty space is 48, 26 and 32. This is a simple chart to get easily understand. Okay, so this is another one of the important neat questionable one of the chart of coordination numbers and remaining number of particles atom presence. Okay, see the structure. Okay, thank you.